This is the one right here, guys. So I got my hands on the UV foil from Babyliss, something I was really interested in, just for the simple fact that I think it's an innovative product. I didn't know if it was a gimmick, and I didn't know if it was a good product or if it's just it's kind of like gimmicky. But after using it, I know the build quality is excellent on these things. They have dual chargers, so you can plug your USB-C in there, and you can plug your Babyliss cord in the bottom, which is a great feature. So if you're on the go and you're in your car, you can charge it up real quick. The UV foil light has two lights on the top lid. You plug the lid in, it runs a cycle for 3 minutes, turns itself off. It has a 5.5 hour runtime, 10,000 RPM battery. Side by side, using both, I enjoy the single foil. It is so compact, fits in your hand good. You can get around the beard, under the neck, detail a little taper, take out lines. I love the single foil. I got both of them, and the big one primarily just for skin fades. It actually comes with both of the cords, which is dope. And you can't even get a charger with a phone nowadays. And you're getting both cords, a USB-C and a Babyliss cord. Here we're doing the shaving. So far they sound great, they cut great, so obviously a brand new shaver is just gonna work the way it's supposed to. So I can't really say how great they are compared to other shavers because they're brand new. So far so good. Obviously you get your sticker, your battery. Here is them plugged into a power bank, which is so convenient. Especially if you have the little single foil, you pretty much charge it anywhere. Good for to go, visits, whatever. Excellent product. I'll update you in the future if they have any problems. Like always, subscribe to the channel. Peace.